The other data that I wanted to point out is the IMF has just put out a report this morning about, let me see, it would be 45 minutes ago, or no, an hour ago, put out a report indicating that global regulators are not paying enough attention to the risk of the global economy from insurance companies. They say that there is a significant role that insurance companies are playing in the global economy. Now, you will remember that I wrote an article a year ago as I have been talking about the risk to the economy due to shadow banking. Remember that? And I was talking about shadow banking. Well, insurance companies are a big part of shadow banking. It is, for instance, banking companies making a huge amount of money in fees and commissions based on allowing an insurance agent to appear as though they're a part of the bank, sitting in the bank. That's their financial person that they say they're going to refer you to so they can sell you an annuity, a commercial annuity. Very different than a charitable gift annuity, but nonetheless a commercial annuity. This is part of the shadow banking. There is trillions of dollars inside the shadow banking industry. Along with insurance companies, of course, would be derivative markets. Derivative markets, huge part of the shadow banking system. Credit default swaps and other kinds of financial instruments that the average person doesn't know about, but nonetheless, a big part of the global economy. Now, the IMF, the first one, I got to give them a lot of credit. Other than me, I was way ahead of them, but other than that, and some others, I'm sure, that we're talking about the key components to the risk of that financial institutions are having as a result of these insurance companies. So very, very interesting. And they are saying that the risk is going to play an extremely important role in financial turmoil that will spread very rapidly from one region of the world to another region of the world. Now, look, that is extremely likely and possible. And it is why it is hard to not have, or it's hard to be optimistic about, and I'm not talking about the markets now, I'm talking about the economy, about the global economy and the economy right here. Because if these things take place, if we see a major problems in 24 trillion. I said trillion with a T. Trillion, not billion. 24 trillion in assets. That is about 12% of all the global assets. That is a significant percentage of the global assets. If there is turmoil within those global assets, I don't have to tell you, it is going to have a significant impact.